In this video, we will learn about recursion in Java. Recursion is the process of defining something in terms of itself. For some problems, it's useful to have a method call itself. This is known as a recursive method. Such a method can call itself either directly or indirectly through another method. Let's see an example of recursion by computation of the factorial of a number. The factorial of a number n is the product of all the whole numbers between 1 and n. For example, if we want to find the factorial of 3, it is 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and the result is 6. However, in Java, we will see an example of recursive method which will compute factorial for us. In our factorial example class, I will add a function which return an integer and its name is factorial. It takes int as an argument or parameter. And I will also declare a variable result that we will return, or this function returns. Now we have to check if n equals 1, then we will return 1. If our function factorial is called with an argument of 1, the function returns 1. Otherwise, it returns the product of factorial function by passing it n minus 1 and multiply by n. We will save in the result factorial, then pass in n minus 1 and multiply with n, and then we need to return the result. To evaluate this expression, factorial function is called with n minus 1. This process repeats until n equals 1 and the calls to the method begin returning from here. Let's go through. When you compute the factorial, for example 3, the first call to factorial function will cause a second call to be made with an argument of 2. This invocation will cause factorial function to be called a third time with an argument of 1. This call will return 1, which is then multiplied by 2, which is the value of n in the second invocation. This result, which is 2, is then returned to the original invocation of factorial function and multiplied by 3, the original value of n. This yields the answer 6. You can also use print line statement to print the value, which will show at what level each call is. When a method call itself, new local variables and parameters are allocated storage on the stack, and the method code is executed with these new variables from the start. Each recursive call returns. The old local variables and parameters are removed from the stack. Now to test our function, I will create object of our factorial example class in main function. factorial example, then create this object, and let's find the factorial of 3. System dot out dot print line factorial of 3 is if you go fe dot factorial and pass in the value 3. Now we just need to run our program, check the result. In output, we get the factorial of 3, which is 6. So it worked for us. To learn more and keep on learning, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thanks for supporting us. Thank you for watching.